Math used in art, painting. Painting is often seen as an expression of creativity and emotion, but behind every masterpiece lies a strong foundation of mathematics. From symmetry and proportions to perspective and color mixing, mathematical principles guide artists in creating visually appealing and balanced compositions. Let's explore the role of math in painting. Painting uses math in symmetry and proportions. The concept of symmetry helps artists create balanced compositions, whether in realistic portraits or abstract designs. The golden ratio, approximately 1.618, is often used to structure artworks in a way that is naturally pleasing to the eye. Perspective and depth. Linear perspective uses vanishing points and parallel lines to create the illusion of three-dimensional depth on a flat canvas. Artists apply geometric rules to determine how objects appear smaller as they recede into the distance. Scaling and proportionality. When artists create murals or enlarge a small sketch, they use mathematical scaling to maintain accurate proportions. This involves using ratios to ensure that every element of the artwork is correctly resized. Color mixing and ratios. Creating different shades and hues involves mathematical ratios. For example, mixing paint in proportions like 2:1, blue to yellow, helps achieve the desired shade of green, while understanding complementary colors on the color wheel ensures harmony in artwork. Tessellations and patterns. Many artists, including M.C. Escher, have used tessellations, repeating geometric patterns to create mesmerizing designs. These patterns rely on mathematical transformations like translation, rotation, and reflection. Mathematical principles applied. The golden ratio enhances balance and harmony in compositions. Geometry and perspective create depth and realism in artworks. Scaling and proportionality maintain accuracy when resizing images. Ratios and color theory control shading and blending. Tessellations and symmetry contribute to intricate patterns and designs. From the careful placement of elements to the science of color mixing, mathematics plays a fundamental role in painting, allowing artists to create visually stunning and well-structured masterpieces.